Why is my stone countertop dull after cleaning? If your marble or granite or limestone, countertop, floors, walls, wherever it is, if it looks dull after you're cleaning it, you're not alone. This is one of the most common questions that we get. And there's a few reasons that this can happen. The first reason is that the cleaner that you used might not have been the right one. If it was vinegar or bleach or even an everyday household spray that's too acidic or too alkaline, it can damage the stone. These products slowly strip away the surface, leaving it cloudy or etched. We dive into this a little bit more in our FAQ. Can I use vinegar on natural stone surfaces? But the short version is acids and harsh cleaners eat away at stone and shine disappears. The second reason is simply wear over time. Even if you're using the right cleaner, daily use creates micro scratches, and shine is really just light reflecting off of a smooth surface. When the surface is filled with micro scratches, light doesn't bounce back anymore. It scatters in all directions. Think of it as a mirror. Perfectly smooth, it reflects your image clearly back to you. But if you take that same mirror and scratch some sandpaper on there, even ever so lightly, that reflection now turns hazy. Well, that's exactly what micro scratches do to stone. Here's the principle to remember: no light, no reflection. No reflection, no shine. Shine doesn't live in the stone, it lives on how light bounces off of it. So, how do you fix dull stone? Well, that's where restoration comes in. Restoration is the process of grinding and honing the surface to flatten it out again. By smoothing it, you reduce the scratches and light can begin to reflect again, bringing the shine back. For more on this, check out our FAQ, How Do I Remove Water Spots from Stone? Because it covers the restoration process in a little bit more detail. And here's one last scenario: lighting. Shine only exists if light reflects. We've actually been called to jobs where a client thought that their countertops went dull after cleaning, but really, it was just a burnt out light bulb. Or the lighting changed. Sounds funny, but it happens. So to recap, dullness could mean the wrong cleaner was used, which could have etched your stone. It could also be natural wear, micro scratches scattering light. Or it could even be as simple as lighting. To keep your stone from getting dull, avoid harsh products and stick with a pH neutral cleaner like a Clean Story Marble and Granite Daily Stone Cleaner. It's safe, streak free, and designed for marble, granite, limestone, travertine, and more. You can grab it on Amazon today. Just search a Clean Story Marble Cleaner or use the links in the description below. And if you're in the Chicagoland area or neighboring suburbs and your stone has already lost its luster, call us at CSI Absolute Clean. Just Google us or click the link below. We specialize in stone polishing and restoration, so your countertops, floors, walls, showers can shine like they used to. That's why stone countertops and or surfaces anywhere in your house can look dull after cleaning. And that's how we can bring the shine